For this project, I chose the company of Maxi and compared the condition as a cashier. I will compare the subject of health and safety of the chapter 3, creating a culture of well-being, and the subject of training and selecting of the chapter 6, orienting, training, and developing employees. To begin, it is a must to have an access to an health and safety workplace. An accident is quickly happen, so companies must find issues to reduce them or have a help service to don't make the same mistake again. The book says, success comes when a manager or supervisor willingly promotes a safe work environment. Actually, it's true because when you do your work safely, you are more productive and you are less stopped because of the injuries. For example, at Maxi, they show you the proper way to place the 18 milliliter bottles. So they suggest you to force with the legs, not the back, because there will come the lower back pain. Also, there is a technique to push the wagons and bring more at a time without hitting a car in the parking, for example. The Toolkit 3.2, creating a successful health and safety incentive program of the books, provides different points to have a successful health and safety program. I compared them with the Maxi's program and I noticed some similarities and some differences. As recommended at the page 85, Maxi develops a program that is both interest and fun. There is the utilization of banners, meeting, and the flash. The flash is the way that my boss used to share, for example, important information, good result, client's complaint, or her recommendation to transform her workplace into a fun place. For the differences, Maxi does not review the injury and health statistic. They have some reports, of course, but they send them to the General Office of Loblaws, which is in Ontario. As I said, it is in Ontario that they find a solution to reduce the work accident, but they apply the change in all the branch without doing a personal approach to the Maxine question. In this process, they do not attend the point of select a realistic safety goal, such as reducing accident by a set percentage, improving safety suggestion, or achieving a period of time without a lost time injury. Overall, Maxi is a safe place to work because they have a structure to follow for the employee safety, but I think that there is something else that they can bring to the company to improve the health and safety aspect. To continue, it is important to have the appropriate training and selecting for the job that you have. If you train correctly, you make less mistakes, your work is well done, and you lose less of your time. Also, you are the image of the company, so it is important to know what you have to say to the client or know what to do in a specific situation. Employers and the book's theory. The Maxi gives 4 hours of formation on the first schedule to show you how to do the role that you will accomplish in your work. They give you the basic tips to be quicker and prepare you to know what to say to the client, like how to grade them. For the 2 next time, there will be someone with you to answer your question and correct your errors. After this period, you're all alone at your spot and you try to make the best out of your capacities. You can ask some questions to the other workers, but they have a job too. So it is not because they are near you that they can answer you in the minute. But plus, every 2 weeks, you have other formation to attend. It could be a formation that the big boss, Loblaws, wants you to do, or it could be Loto Quebec that has made some update with the lottery. Now, for the differences. So, as seen in the books, the workplace skills and capacities is a list of what employees want to know, what employers are looking for. So, when you give your resume to Maxi, They take information like how many hours do you want to work per week, when are you available, or when you prefer to work during the week. But they do not demand which department you will like more. In that way of selecting, there is no description of the job that you can read before sending your resume. You cannot try to choose a department that will be more appropriate for your skills. But Maxi gives a lot of resource to improve yourself, and they have a good help service to improve their employees. To conclude, health and safety, training and selecting are three aspects that need to be well executing by the employers and the employees. There are some differences between the book and an actual cashier job in a Maxi, but it's pretty much the same.